So, today's adventure, if I'm allowed to,
is to hike up to that big mountain that's way up top. Right now this says no trespassing, but I think this road right here allows me to walk around that property and go up.
When you're doing a hike with elevation, it feels so good when you get to flatland for a little bit. But we came all the way from that campground, and we're up here. I mean, the campground starts out on a hill, so did this hike this morning, had to take the dog back. Got to a point of getting up here and I was gonna need both hands and feet to crawl up. So can't do that while holding the dog, so I had to take the dog back. But that's a goal. See how far I can get up. We'll see. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck did I just accomplish? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm here. Once you get to a point, it was there the whole time. It wasn't as bad. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was. It wasn't. It's mine, man. heights as well. You don't think you can do it. I'm sitting on top of that rock. Really debating whether I should stay up here for the sunset.
That's part of the lake that I try to kayak too, but we never get past from here to like right there. That's the furthest I ever got. It keeps going over here, you know? Over there, straight across, is the mountain I hiked when I kayaked. So I'm pretty, might be a little bit higher than what I am right now. See it.
Now, I'm still paranoid because I still gotta get down. So